Fishing is a fun activity, and while done with the right equipment, the fun doubles. Whether you fish for fun or to bring home a good meal, it's good to enhance the experience by bringing the right gear. Of course, fishing is entirely possible with just a basic rod, some bait, and a hook. But there are ways to make it infinitely more enjoyable, easier, and more successful. Some of it boils down to technique, but a lot of it is affected by the fishing equipment you bring on your trip. As fishing has been a very famous hobby for many years, it's no wonder that the market is full of all kinds of related gadgets and gizmos. These fishing helpers make the experience even more pleasant. And if you are looking to catch a really big fish, they just might aid you in doing that. Summertime is fishing time. The ponds and their eating machine bays are warming up and getting hungrier. Out in the surf, the stripers are running. Trout season's right around the corner. And you? Well, and spend some time in the awesome outdoors. So we have picked out the 5 of the best fishing gadgets in 2021. Check them out below.
Here Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
The Lowrance Hook 2.7 Fish Finder features auto-tuning sonar and phone-like menus, providing you more time to spend fishing and less time dealing with settings. It delivers a much larger screen, better resolution, more color, and improved sonar. The display on this fish finder is wonderful. It has a 7-inch display. Lowrance pulls out all the stops with their split-shot transducer that delivers wider sonar coverage using downscan and chirp technology. A single transducer can be mounted on the transom, inside the hull, on the trolling motor, or through a scrubber hole. Fish new water like a pro with preloaded US inland mapping that features 4,000 lakes with 1-foot contours. Simply locating fish holding structures like ledges, drop-offs, and cover. Also, you can upload your own map or download ones from the 3,000 preloaded lakes on the software. As you are floating around the lake, map waypoints and chart locations where you want to revisit. All in all, the Lowrance Hook 2.7 is one of the best fish finders on the market. Plus, you will get everything you need here on a screen that is easy enough to read with the technology you want. It can also help you plan out future fishing trips. One of the hardest parts of fishing is to find a good spot to cast your line. The Deeper Smart Sonar Pro Plus is a castable, GPS-enabled, Wi-Fi-ready fish finder. Compared to other castable sonar devices with built-in transducers, this model delivers more features, more power, better scanning depths, and a great casting range. It is a highly portable device that gives incredible mapping and is scanning from a boat, a kayak, the shore, and an ice. Deeper Pro Plus is a castable sonar that scans the underwater area for you. Thanks to its inbuilt GPS, it is able to create bathymetric maps for you, all without making you leave the shore. It comes with a casting range of 330 feet and depth range of 260 feet with a 50 times scanning capability. The fish finder does a perfect job in showing you where to catch fish, the depth, the temperature of the water, what to throw, and how to throw it. Overall, the Deeper Smart Sonar Pro Plus is an outstanding fish finder for all types of fishing. For shore fishers, this is something you really want to consider. To make night fishing easier, have you considered picking up a headlamp? This 61601 double clutch lamp by Streamlight is a solid pick for the task and has the potential of making your life a lot easier. It grants for hands-free lighting of any area you wish to see better. It delivers a 100 operation and allows you to momentarily swap between a dim light and intense LED lighting. The spot lighting available here is measured at 125 lumens and reaches 82 meters. You can use that for 3.5 hours before needing to recharge. For situations where you don't need as much light, the low mode offers just 30 lumens with a 40-meter beam and runs for up to 10 hours. The ability to shift between these two modes at a moment's notice can come in very handy when fishing. You can use this headlamp to light your path as you make your way to favorite spot or even just inspect the waters. Compact, lightweight, and comfortable, the 61601 is an excellent headlamp whenever you need hands-free illumination. Overall, this headlamp is for those who like to fish before sunrise and want to achieve the best possible results. The Piscifun Torrent is a reasonably priced quality bait casting reel. It enters in two gear ratios, the 5.3 that retrieves 22.8 inches of line per turn of the handle and 7.1 that retrieves 30 inches of line per turn of the handle. The low gear ratio is better for heavy jigs, the high gear ratio is better for casting and retrieving lures. A carbon fiber drag system is used within this reel that has a high max drag of 18 pounds. The reel is made with 5+1 shielded ball bearings, a 10-position magnetic brake, aluminum spool, aluminum handle, and an aluminum thumb bar. This would make an impressive first bait casting reel. Even this grants for heavy lures to be gently set into the water, creating a more natural splash. The reel is placed on the top of the reel, which is a nice orientation for jigging. The Piscifun really did an extremely good job with their fishing reel because it's affordable and has high quality features at the same time. Overall, this bait casting fishing reel is a must-find for all the people who are aspiring to improve their skills or have a test at a tournament in the fishing world. If you are new to fly fishing, it is easier to get a complete set that has everything you need from the get-go. You can't go wrong with the Wild Water Fly Fishing Complete 5x6 starter package. The Wild Water Fly Fishing Kit adds a rod, reel, carry case, flies, and tippet. This is a super first-time fly fishing setup. It is weighted at 5x6 and is 9 feet long. Thus, the rod is easy to cast and is versatile for use in many types of water. It is constructed from IM8 graphite and has a machined aluminum reel set with double lock rings and a laser-etched butt cap that is 7 inches long with a Western-style cork handle that allows for maximum grip. It is excellent because the reel comes pre-installed with chartreuse, WF5F, weight forward 5, floating fly line, 20-orange backing, and 9-inch 5X tapered monofilament leader. And last but not least, you will also receive a 32-inch hard tube case with a reel pouch that will grant you to safely store and transport your rod and reel on your fishing trips. Overall, the price may not be so cheap, but in comparison with the features and specifications, this Wild Water Fly fishing rod and reel combo is definitely worth the price. Plus, if you know someone who is an experienced angler but has never fished before, this would be an outstanding gift.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.